Hello student, how are you? Let us see math first, chapter 3rd, arithmetic progression. So first we think about a sequence. So our first topic, that is sequence. A sequence is a set of numbers where the numbers are arranged in a definite order, like the natural numbers is called a sequence. So here in sequence the terms are in definite order or in some rules. See some examples. First example, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 dash. So here order is n plus 1 or rule is where n plus 1 where n belongs to n. Then second, that is 2, 5, 10, then 17. So here rule is n square plus 1 and where n belongs to n. Means if you take n equal to 1, 1 square is 1 plus 1, that is first term 2. Then when you take 2, 2 square is 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So here order means rule is n square plus 1 where n belongs to n. You see third example, that is 3, 5, 7, 9. So here rule is 2n plus 1 means where n belongs to n means natural number. When you take 1, then 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3, that is the first term. For 2, 2 to 4 plus 1, that is 5, and so on. Then say 4, that is 3, 9, 27, 81, dash. So here terms are power of cube means 3 raised to n, and where n belongs to n means 3 raised to 1, that is first term 3. When you take 3 square means power is 2, that is 9. When 3 cube, that time 27. 3 raised to 4, that is 81. So here the sequence means a sequence is a collection of numbers arranged in a definite order according to some definite rule, and each number in the sequence is called a term of sequence. And then see the next topic, that is our chapter's name, that is arithmetic progression. So what is arithmetic progression? So it is a sequence, or in the given sequence, if difference between two consecutive terms, that is n plus n minus n is constant means equal, then the sequence is called arithmetic progression, that is in short AP. And the constant term is called common difference and is denoted by D. The nth term of an AP with the first term, that is A, and the common difference D is given by Tn means nth term. That is our formula, A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. So let's see first practice set. First example of practice set 3.1, that is which of the following sequences are AP means arithmetic progressions. If they are AP, find common difference. So see first question, that is 2, 4, 6, 8. So this 2 is first term, that is T1. Second T2, T3, T4. So first write the terms. So here T1 is 2, T2 is 4, T3 is 6, and T4 is 8. Then find the common difference between two consecutive terms. So see orally, 2 means here 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. So here the difference between two consecutive terms is 2. That is constant. Therefore this sequence is AP. This is orally. Then say how to solve. So first we write T2 minus T1. That is 4 minus 2, that is 2. Then T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. 6 minus 4, again it is 2. Then T4 minus T3, that is 8 minus 6, again 2. Then see the common difference, that is D, is same, that is 2. So we write here common difference common difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore it is an AP, and common difference is 2, and common difference, that is D, equal to 2. Then see second example. So 2, 5 upon 2, 3, 7 upon 2. These are the given terms. So here first term is 2, second term is 5 upon 2, third term is 3, and fourth term is 7 upon 2. Then see the common difference between two consecutive terms. How can you find? So see first with T2 minus T1. That is second term 5 upon 2 minus first term, take here 1, and you know how to solve if denominator is not equal. So we write 2, that is the common multiple, and when you do cross multiplication, 5 into 1, that is 5, and 2 2 is 4. So it is 1 upon 2. So first T2 minus T1 is 1 upon 2. The next third term minus second term means T3 minus T2. So third term is 3. So 3 minus 5 upon 2. Here we take 1. Again take denominator equal and do cross multiplication. 3 2 is 6, and 1 into 5, that is 5. So here 1 upon 2. So second, that is T3 minus T2 is again 1 upon 2. Similarly fourth term minus third term means T4 minus T3, that is 7 upon 2 minus 3 upon 1. So again when we take LCM, that is 2, and when you do cross multiplication, 7 1 is 7 minus 6, it is 1 upon 2. So T4 minus T3 is also 1 upon 2. So from this we can see the common difference between two consecutive terms is constant, and therefore it is an AP, and D is 1 upon 2, and first term is 2, and the common difference is 2. You can see next question, that is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, plus 2, and so on. So here we write first term, that is minus 10, second term minus 6, third term minus 2, and fourth term, that is plus 2. And then see whether the common difference between two consecutive terms is constant or not. So see first we write T2 minus T1. So T2, that is minus 6, then minus sign, and again T1 is minus 10. So we write in bracket, that is minus 10, and you know because of this minus sign is changed, so it is minus 6 plus 10, that is plus 4. And then T3 minus T2, third term is minus 2. So minus 2, then minus, again minus 6 is in bracket, that is the second term, minus 6, and then sign is changed. So minus 2 plus 6, again it is 4. Then fourth term minus third term means T4 minus T3. So fourth term is 2, then minus 2. So 2 and sign change, and it is 2. So 2 plus 2, that is 4. So again see the common difference between two consecutive terms, that is 4, means it is constant. So it is an AP. So how can we write? Here common difference between two consecutive terms is constant Therefore, given sequence is an AP. So we write it is an AP, where first term is minus 10 and common difference is this. Example, T1, that is first term is 0.3, T2 is 0.33, T3 is 0.333 and so on. So here first term is 0.3, second term is 0.33 and third term, that is 0.333. So find the common difference between two consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1. So T2 is 0.33 minus 0.3. So see, its answer is 0.03. So how can you subtract 0.33 minus 0.3 and we take here 0. So 3, 0.0. So first difference is 0.03. Then third term minus second term means T3 minus T2. So third term is 0.333 minus 0.33. So its answer is 0.003. Check. 0.333 minus 0.33 and 1 0. So this is 3. 3 minus 3 0 0 0. So see, the first common difference is 0.03 and second difference is 0.003, means it is not equal. So this sequence is not in AP. So how can we write here the common difference between two consecutive terms is not equal or not constant. Therefore, it is not an AP. See, if first term T1 is 0, T2 is minus 4, T3 minus 8, T4 minus 12. So we write all the terms. Then T2 minus T1. Find T2, that is minus 4 minus 0, that is minus 4. Then T3 minus T2, third term, that is minus 8. Then minus. Again write in bracket. So minus 8 plus 4, that is minus 4. Then T4 minus T3 means fourth term, that is minus 12. So minus 12 minus, and third term is minus 8. So we write in bracket minus 8 and minus 12 and both minus, that is plus 8. Again plus minus minus and greater number sign. So see all the common differences, that is minus 4 minus 4 minus 4, means it is a constant. So given sequence is in AP. Next question, T1, that is 1 upon 5, T2 1 upon 5, T3 minus 1 upon 5, means all three terms are equal. T1, T2, 3 all are minus 1 upon 5. So we find T2 minus T1, that is minus 1 upon 5 minus, again in bracket minus 1 upon 5. So minus 1 upon 5 and again this both is negative, or because of this minus sign we change this sign. So it is plus 1 upon 5 and minus plus minus, that is 0. Then T3 minus T2. So again terms are same, minus 1 upon 5 minus minus 1 upon 5. So it is minus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5, again 0. So what we can write here? The common difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, given sequence is an AP. You write here the next step. In this question, T1 is 3, T2 is 3 plus root 2, T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 and T4 is fourth term, that is 3 plus 3 root 2. So we write all these terms and then find the common difference, that is T2 minus T1. So see second term, that is 3 plus root 2 minus first term is 3. So minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled and first answer that is root 2. Then we find T3 minus T2. T3 means third term. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus second term, that is 3 plus root 2. And because of this minus, we change this side. So see, next step, that is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. Then minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled, and root 2 minus 1 time root 2, that is 1 time root 2. Then T4 minus T3. Then first term is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus third term, that is 3 plus 2 root 2. So again change this sign and see what is the answer. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. So again minus plus 3 get cancelled. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, that is root 2. So here we write the common difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, given sequence is an AP, means it is arithmetic progression. Then see last question number 8. So here first term T1 is 127. Second term is 132. Third term is 137. So find out the common difference between two consecutive terms. So first T2 minus T1, that is 132 minus 127. So its answer is 5. Then T3 minus T2. Again see third term, that is 137 minus 132. Again it is 5. So here we write here the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP or it is an AP. So write down all these steps and complete the questions. See second question of practice set 3.1. Question is write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following. So here student, A and the value of D is given, and using these two values you form a arithmetic progression. So let us see how to write. So A, that is T1, means first term, that is also A. So T1 is 10. And then how can you find T2, means second term? So we add this common difference each time. So T2, that is T1 plus this D, means 10 plus 5, that is 15. Then how can you find this third term? So again we add D in this second term, means T2 plus D. So T2 is 15 plus 5, that is 20. Then T4 means fourth term, that is T3 plus D, means 20 plus this 5, that is 25. Therefore AP is first term is 10, then 15, then 20, 25 and so on. See the second, here A is minus 3 and D is 0, means first term is T1, that is minus 3, then T2 we know T1 plus D, so T1 is minus 3, again D is 0, so second term is also minus 3. Then T3 equal to T2 minus T2 plus D, means T2 again minus 3 plus 0, so minus 3. So here AP is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 and so on. See question number 3, that is A minus 7 and D, that is half. So convert this half, means when you divide 1 by 2, this is 0.5. So A, that is first term T1, that is minus 7. Then second term for T2 we add D, means common difference to previous term, means T1 plus D. So here it is minus 7 plus 0.5. So plus minus minus and a greater number sign. So its value is minus 6.5. And similarly for third term means T3, we add again D in second term means T2 plus D, that is minus 6.5 plus 0.5. So again plus minus minus and greater number sign, so it is minus 6. Then fourth term, that is T3 plus D means minus 6 plus 0.5, so it is minus 5.5. And therefore our answer, that is first term means minus 7, then second term minus 6.5, then minus 6, and then minus 5.5. That is required AP means our arithmetic progression. Therefore, here first term means A is minus 1.25 and common difference D is 3. So first term, that is T1 equal to A means minus 1.25. Then second term T2, that is T1 plus D means minus 1.25 plus 3. So you know plus minus minus and greater number sign. So here 3 minus 1.25, that is 10 minus 5, 5, then 9 minus 2, 7, and here 2 minus 1, 1, and greater number sign. So its answer is 1.75. So first term is minus 1.25 and second term is 1.75. And then find next T3, that is T2 plus D means 1.75 plus common difference, that is D. So 1.75 plus 3, that is 4.75. And then T4 equal to T3 plus D means 4.75 plus 3, that is 7.75. And therefore we write AP means first term, that is minus 1.25, then second term, that is 1.75, and then third term 4.75, and third, and then fourth 7.75. That is the required AP. See question number 3, that is find the first term and the common difference for each of the AP. So here arithmetic progression is given and question is find the first and the common difference. So you know here given terms means first term, that is T1 is 5, T2 is 1, T3 is minus 3, and fourth term, that is minus 7. So first term, that is T1, first term, that is T1 or A, that is 5, and common difference D equal to T2 minus T1 means 1, that is second term, and first term is 5, so plus minus minus and greater number sign, so it is minus 4. Similarly T3 minus T2, third term, that is minus 3, and then second term minus 1, both are negative, so we add and give minus sign, so it is minus 4. Similarly T4 minus T3, see T4, that is minus 7, and minus of minus 3 means minus 7 plus 3, that is again minus 4. So common difference D equal to 4, and first term, that is A, means 5. Similarly here see first term, that is T1 means 0.6, T2 equal to 0.9, T3 equal to 1.2, T4 equal to 1.5. So here first term, that is T1 means A equal to 0.6. Then common difference D equal to T2 minus T1 means 0.9 minus 0.6. So 0.9 minus 0.6, that is 0.3. Similarly T3 minus T2 means 1.2 minus 0.9. So again it is 0.3. And similarly T4 minus T3, that is 1.5 minus 1.2, that is again 0.3. So we say A equal to 0.6 and common difference D equal to 0.3. So similarly you can solve the remaining example by same method.